Amrish Shivalkar from Bloggers Ideas, and today I'll be doing a detailed review of David Sedaris masterclass where he teaches you storytelling and humor. I'm here so that you can figure out if this is lucrative enough of the money you invest in masterclass. Before anything else, you should know that masterclass is the place where you get exclusive access to a plethora of information by the top ranking professionals in their particular field. But first, let me do a quick introduction to the Masterclass platform. Masterclass is a course website where you get to learn about various subjects. What sets it apart from other educational websites is that Masterclass is a curated course platform that is taught by the leading experts from their particular industries, which is really unique in my opinion. Masterclass has two pricing structures. If you're looking to going for a particular course, you can subscribe to the Masterclass for $90 and get a lifetime access to that course. Or you can opt for an all access pass where you can pay $180 annually and access all the courses available. I would strongly advise you to go for the second option as the content in this platform is simply exceptional and it is very difficult to choose one specific course. You would crave to explore and know more about the courses and the knowledge that is shared by their amazing instructors. But if you are sure and are only looking for one particular course, then you can go for the $90 option and get lifelong access to that specific course. Just to show you a quick overview of Masterclass homepage, here is the profile. Community where you can start a discussion on any course or topic or network with fellow students who have signed up for these courses. You can also share an all-access pass to your friend or family member who can be benefited from Masterclass. It will be like giving the gift of education and experience to your loved ones. You can access the course which deals with various topics and choose which one you would like to learn or which instructor you would like to listen to. So that was all about the Masterclass homepage. Now coming back to our Masterclass where David Sedaris gives us detailed knowledge about storytelling and humor. Let's decide whether it is worth your money. So let's get started. Being a writer is a blessing as sometimes bad things happen in your life. Eventually you turn it into something funny and get laughs out of it. David tells everybody has an interesting story to tell. You just have to take a step back and look at your life to find all sorts of stories there. Everything becomes funny eventually. A situation might be scary, embarrassing, or horrifying, but a day will come when you will be able to laugh about it. Going back to a particular moment and being able to make it funny is what David knows best. So celebrate it if you get fired from your job, your house catches fire, or you lose a limb unless it is your writing arm. Just make the most of it. From selling over a whopping 12 million copies of his books worldwide to getting nominated for the Grammys, he is one of the most humorous writers you will ever find. Learn what storytelling and humor really are and hang in there as there is a lot that David Sedaris can't wait to share with you. So, let's talk about the tutor. David Raymond Sedaris, born on December 26, 1956, is an American humorist, comedian, author, and radio contributor. He was publicly recognized in 1992 when National Public Radio broadcast his essay Santaland Diaries. He published his first collection of essays and short stories, Barrel Fever, in 1994. He is the brother of writing collaborator of actor Amy Sedaris. Much of Sedaris' humor is ostensibly autobiographical and self-depreciating, and often concerns his life and his family life, his middle-class upbringing in North Carolina, his Greek heritage, homosexuality, job, education, drug use, and obsessive behavior, and his life in France, London, and the English South Downs. So, let me give you a course description. To begin with, you get access to David's 14 exclusive video lessons. Here, you will learn how to master the art of storytelling and humor writing. David talks about the ways to make normal things funny. He teaches you to ask better questions and how to reach for the moments when an idea for your story is unfolding before you. He uses examples from his own writing to show the process to make and take this idea from your diary and expand them into an essay. How to make yourself more relatable to your audience as a protagonist is one of the most important topics that David covers. This masterclass incorporates the diversity that is required in this industry. You will come across the most basic things that you might have overlooked all these years. You also get a 38-page PDF document so that you can maximize your yield of the masterclass. The workbook provides you with David's own diary entries, assignments, and various other topics that are essential to be focused on. So let's take a walk through each section. Breaking into a story. According to David, needing to be perfect is a curse. He says that you should focus on doing the best you can do and not compare yourself to what you assume is perfect. Feeling the need to be perfect doesn't make you perfect, it just makes you paralyzed in a way. You will learn to be yourself only if you are really lucky, and that's what constructs a good writer. The opening is going to determine your entire essay. David reads the script of his essay, Understanding Owls, and how he breaks into the plot of that script. It took him multiple tries to find the perfect beginning to that essay. He talks about how he made the beginning stronger with every attempt, and his final essay got published in the New Yorkers. Ending with Wait. David shares his experience when he would visit his sister's show and laugh a lot, but when he left, he couldn't remember anything. He feels that sorrow often gives weight to the humor and creates a huge impact on the audience. But remember not to be formulaic about it, because then it just becomes a gimmick and there's nothing memorable about it. When he started as a young writer, he just wanted to make people laugh. After he mastered the technique to bring out the laughs, he thought, why not go a step further and try to move them in a way? Just forcing on the laughs is not the way to go about your writing. Incorrect humor is a great way to add flavor to your writing. You can get laughs out of people by saying the wrong things and making them feel like a terrible person for laughing at that joke. Not so terrible that they couldn't concentrate on anything after, but you can find your own line to do that. Sometimes it feels that you just can't find the right end. David says that even he sometimes requires several weeks to climb to a perfect ending. So, who should take this class? David wrote every day for 15 years before his first book came out. He says that if he can write 10 books and he can be the New Yorkers and he can have his own radio show on BBC, anybody else can have it. He is not saying that to make his viewers feel good, but because he knows exactly what the phase of self-doubt is. He has been there, he has faced rejection, he has been laughed upon, and yet he made it to where he is today and knows what it takes to make it up to the top. He says he is not really a talented person, and the only thing that worked out for him is his dedication and commitment towards his craft. The aspiring writers who are climbing their way up in this business will get to know the inspiration and experiences that David encountered when he was a young, hopeful writer. And for the people who want a career in storytelling and humor, you have hit a jackpot as you get to learn the nuances of this industry from the best humor artist, David Sedaris. So, I would love to share my honest review with you guys. Going through this masterclass, I realized one thing for sure, that people don't see the massive amount of work behind a successful person. David climbed his way up in his industry without any assistance or background, and he says that if he was able to do that, anybody can. He mentions he wasn't naturally talented. A lot of people were funnier and a lot of them wrote much better than him. The only thing that brought him to this point where he has achieved what he dreamt was his great love for writing. There is a lineup of essentials that David guides through and talks about. Throughout the course of this masterclass, he directs his viewers on the ways of creating a memory and impact on the audience through your writing. David teaches you to turn your essay from a purely comedic piece into a script with meaning. In the concluding video lesson, he suggests to read The Getaway Car by Ann Patchett as he describes it as the best essay he has ever read about writing. He personally reads it over and over again because it inspires him a lot. Throughout this course, he instills the thought of writing for the joy and satisfaction of it, as opposed to having a work for a deadline. All in all, this masterclass was a mixture of David's experience, his humor, his secrets, and his guidance for the art of storytelling. After completing it, you are definitely off to a great start as you will understand this industry through the various degrees of it. In the end, he says he has a spot saved for you right next to him, but only when you are ready. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this review video. We would love to hear your thoughts about the same in the comment section below. Also, I highly recommend David Silla's masterclass, and if you wish to pursue this, you can find all the details to this masterclass in the description box below. Also, if you really like this review, then please like and share this video, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And one last thing before you leave, please don't forget to hit the bell icon there, because every time we come online, you will get notified.